Hey guys, let's dive into everything you need to know about using Eroxon Gel for erectile dysfunction, and how to make sure you're getting the absolute best results possible every single time. Whether you're brand new to Eroxon or you've given it a shot before, this guide is for you. I'll break down the process step by step, share some pro tips, and answer common questions so you can feel confident and get the most out of your experience. First things first, always start by making sure your hands and the area where you'll apply the gel are both clean and dry. This is a crucial step that a lot of people overlook. Keeping things clean isn't just about good hygiene, it actually helps the gel absorb more effectively, so you get the full benefit. Dirt, sweat, or moisture can get in the way, so take a minute to prep properly. Next, grab a single-use applicator. Open it up and squeeze out a small amount of gel. About the size of a pea is all you need. The applicators are designed for convenience and to make sure you're using the right amount every time. Now gently apply the gel directly to the tip and shaft of your penis. Make sure you're in a private, comfortable space where you can take your time. Massage the gel in for about 15 seconds. This helps it spread evenly and start working its magic. You don't need to rush, just use gentle circular motions. You don't need to rub hard or use a lot of pressure, just make sure the gel is spread out in a thin, even layer. This ensures maximum contact and absorption. Within seconds, you'll probably notice a cool, tingling sensation. That's totally normal, and actually a sign that the gel is starting to work. Some guys describe it as refreshing or invigorating. For best results, apply Eroxon Gel right before sexual activity. Usually, waiting about 5 to 10 minutes is perfect. This gives the gel time to take effect, so you're ready when the moment is right. One of the great things about Eroxon is that you don't have to use it every day. Just use it when you need it. There's no daily routine or complicated schedule to remember. And here's something important. Don't go overboard. Using more gel won't make it work better or faster. In fact, too much can cause irritation or discomfort, so stick to the recommended amount. Here's a pro tip. Don't rush the process. Take a few deep breaths, relax, and let yourself get comfortable. A calm mind and body can make a big difference in your experience. Remember, anxiety or stress can sometimes get in the way of results. Give yourself permission to slow down and let the gel do its thing. Creating a relaxed environment can really help. If you're planning to use condoms, you're in luck. Eroxon Gel is compatible with most types. Still, it's always smart to double-check the packaging or instructions just to be sure. If you're using other medications or treatments for ED, or if you have any health concerns, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor first. They can help make sure everything works together safely and answer any questions you might have. Most guys notice results pretty quickly, but if you don't see a difference after a few tries, or if you experience any side effects like redness or discomfort, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. They can help you troubleshoot or suggest alternatives. So, to sum it all up, clean the area, apply the gel, wait a few minutes, and enjoy the moment. It's a simple routine that can make a big difference in your confidence and performance. Eroxon Gel is designed to be straightforward and effective, so you can focus on what matters most, feeling confident and enjoying intimacy when you want to. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more men's health tips, product reviews, and honest advice. Take care of yourself, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.